Well, giving back to those who have served our country. A new effort aims to provide our active military members and veterans with career and education opportunities. WSFA 12 News anchor Sally Pitts has the details.
Call it a joint operation. Several organizations are coming together to provide education and career opportunities for our service members and their families.
They deserve us to do the work that is necessary to provide an education program that is available to them, and we're going to do that.
30 resource workshops will happen across Alabama's community colleges over the next 2 months. Service members will learn about access to educational benefits, career services, and mental health support.
We live in a free country because of our military. And anything we can do to help military, really active duty or veterans know more about the opportunities that exist through our community college system, or anything else for that matter, is such a blessing.
A recent ranking had Alabama at number 2 in the country for best states for veterans to live in. Officials say they are determined to be the best, and this program will help Alabama get there.
It's the greatest honor as Lieutenant Governor to get to represent our active military as well as veterans in this state. And one of our goals is simple, is to be the most military and veteran-friendly state in the country.
The workshops are funded through a $50,000 sponsorship from the Alabama Association for Resource Conservation and Development Councils. Alabama has 350,000 active service members and veterans. Sally Pitts, WSFA 12 News.
And workshops will take place throughout February. You'll find a full schedule on the 12 News app.